Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys this wig from Lovmuse hair. I'm installing as well as showing you how I did my front pieces for my curls or my waves. Right now I decided to style in beach waves because this hair is actually a 13x4 lace frontal wig in body wave, 26 inches and 150 density. Keynote: the density is why I decided to do waves instead of volume curls. So I show you guys how I did my front pieces, which are pretty much the most important pieces, and you will definitely get a gist of how to do them. And I did the whole install on camera if you'd like to go ahead and watch. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let you guys know the links for this gorgeous wig will be in the description box below. So stunning, and let's jump into today's tutorial so I can show you how to get your wig looking like this. So this is the final look. This wig is from Lovmuse hair, and they decided to send me a 13x4 26-inch 150 density body wave unit. This is what it's giving. The unit is really nice and snug, fits on my head perfectly. I'm loving how flat this wig is, super gorgeous. And I just decided to pop some curls in it because I styled it before I came on camera. So now it's giving more of like a beach wave vibe, which I am totally digging. Like, that's exactly what I want this hair to give. Just some effortless curls. Like, I didn't put too much work into it, and or not even curls, just waves. I'm loving like this little wave look, especially with the hair, because it is 150 density. It's not as full as a 200 or 250. So in order to make it look somewhat like just amazing, with the length being this long 26, I just decided to do some waves because they're just way easier than trying to do volume curls and trying to get more volume in a hair that is low in density pretty much. But honestly, I'm loving it here. It's cute, it's effortless, and if you want the length without I guess maintaining the thickness or doing it like that, definitely hop on the 150, girl. It is good, it's full enough, and it's not thin. The ends are not straggly, everything is perfect. So if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Definitely do not forget to go ahead and check that out, as well as to check out Lovmuse's website, etc. And thank you so much to Lovmuse for sponsoring today's video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.